Hello everyone, how are you? To all of you, I hope everyone's fit and fine. Today once again to Prestige on social media. First I tell you about myself. My name is Lal Kishore. I am 38 years old. I am from Bihar. Currently I live in Delhi. I am tailor. I am married. I have three children, two daughters, a son. I I want to improve my English with the help of my social media. That's why I will try to practice in social media because social media is a good platform to improve all the things on social media. Because I want you to improve your English with the help of social media. That's why I tell you again and again. Okay, without learning English, you can't live happily anywhere. Because I have already realized because I have left out of India. That's why I have realized without learning English you can't live anywhere. That's why you must have some English knowledge. Then you will be able to go anywhere, live because English is very important language. If you go to big shop, if you go to big library, if you go to big bank, if you go to big hotel, everyone will talk to in English. If you go to hotel, no one talk in English in Hindi. Everyone will talk to in English. If you know everyone, no one will respect you. No one will respect your answer, your question. Why? Because you will be talking. You will be talking in English. That's why no one will answer. No one will answer your question. That's why I have I tell you, if you improve your English, you will have to talk. You will have to talk in English loudly. Whenever you get time, always try to think in English. Always try to talk in English on social media. You will go anywhere. Always think in English. Everyone talk in Hindi. You try to change Hindi to English. Okay. You don't think today I start speaking English. I will become fluent English speaker after 2 to 3 days. Nothing is like that. If you want to improve your English, it will take to improve your English 4 months, 3 months. It totally depend on your mind how to improve. How many days it will take to improve your English. Okay, that's why it totally depend on your mind. But first of all, you need to start speaking English. Then you will be asked about yourself. How many days it will take to learn my English? Okay, you don't start speaking English before you think how many days it will take to improve my English. Nothing like that is impossible. Why? First of all, beginning looks very tough. That is, but when you talk in English daily, regularly, you realize it is very easy for me. Okay, you don't care at others. If I make mistake while speaking, people will laugh at me. People will say about me. People will what will happen. And but everyone make mistake while speaking beginning. Okay, that's why you don't need to care. You don't need to feel whatever you do yourself. How to improve yourself? You must know about yourself. Okay, so I also try to tell you, whatever you do, you believe in you believe and believe in God, you will definitely success in your dream. Okay, so you don't give up yourself. But as you know star translate in English. Okay, always try to the same method. I always apply the same method how to improve my English. I always think in English. People will when I talk to in English, people will laugh. People will say about me unnecessary. I don't care because when I succeed in my life, everyone will come to me and ask you, please tell me how to improve my. I also want to talk to English, but beginning no one support you guide you. That's why if you do anything in your life, you will have to alone. Whatever do your whatever do yourself, whatever do something alone, no one will come to you. You can see across the India how to everyone thinks negative about others. That's why you don't believe in others. If you do something in your life, you will have to believe in you and in God. Okay. Third third person will not come to you and help you. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. I will